Hey, Aiden. You guys, this is one of the homes that is in Davenport, Florida. We are in a location where they have absolutely beautiful homes. The one we are actually staying in is a 10-bedroom home. But if you want to check out Hotellook.com, I'm going to also include the link, my affiliate link in there. So if you want to check it out and see what kind of homes you can stay in, because they do offer homes and they also have hotels. You could just choose whichever is your preference and see what they have available and book your stay. For instance, like I said, we are down here in Davenport, Florida,